Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hello, food enthusiasts, home chefs, and culinary explorers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your ultimate source for discovering delicious meals from around the world. Whether you're in the mood to experiment in the kitchen or you're in need of a quick and easy meal, we've got you covered. Today's episode is all about transforming basic ingredients into amazing meals. Transform basic ingredients into amazing meals. We all know the feeling your fridge is running low. Your pantry has a few basic staples, but you still want to make something delicious. Well, the good news is that you don't need complex recipes or exotic ingredients to create flavor-packed meals. Many of the world's best dishes are made with simple, everyday ingredients items like rice, pasta, beans, eggs, vegetables, and spices. These humble ingredients can easily be turned into incredible meals that are both satisfying and flavorful. In this episode, we will explore quick and simple recipes that can be created using basic pantry items, taking you on a culinary journey around the world, from comfort foods to fresh light dishes. These recipes prove that with just a few staples, you can make meals that taste amazing. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or a seasoned chef looking for creative ways to use everyday ingredients, we've got plenty of ideas to inspire your next cooking adventure. Let's start exploring how you can transform basic ingredients into meals that will wow your taste buds. 1. Italy. Pasta alla caprese ingredients. Pasta, spaghetti, penne fusilli, or any you have, fresh tomatoes or canned. Fresh mozzarella or any cheese you have on hand. Basil, fresh or dried. Olive oil, salt and pepper, balsamic vinegar, optional. Recipe, pasta alla caprese. When you think of Italian cooking, fresh ingredients and simplicity come to mind. One of the easiest and most delicious ways to enjoy pasta is by making a pasta alla caprese, a dish that combines tomatoes, cheese, and basil. It's a perfect example of how basic ingredients can be transformed into an incredible meal. Step-by-step preparation. Cook the pasta, boil water with a pinch of salt, and cook your pasta any type you have, until al dente, following the package instructions. Prepare the sauce. While the pasta cooks, chop your fresh tomatoes or use canned tomatoes if you don't have fresh ones. If you have fresh mozzarella, tear it into pieces. Combine and toss. Once the pasta is ready, drain it and toss it with olive oil, the tomatoes, and mozzarella. Add a few basil leaves, or use dried basil if you don't have fresh. Season and serve. Season with salt and pepper and drizzle with balsamic vinegar for extra flavor optional. Modern twist. Add protein. If you have grilled chicken or shrimp, you can add it to the dish for a protein boost. This adds heartiness without requiring additional ingredients. Where to try it? Rome, Italy. Classic Italian pasta dishes, like pasta alla caprese, are loved across Italy. Italian restaurants worldwide, you'll find similar dishes at many Italian restaurants offering quick, fresh meals. 2. Mexico. Bean and cheese burritos ingredients. Tortillas, flour or corn. Canned beans, black beans, pinto beans, or refried beans. Cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, or any melting cheese you have. Salsa, or tomatoes, onions, and cilantro. Sour cream or Greek yogurt optional. Recipe, bean and cheese burritos. Burritos are a versatile and simple dish that can be made with a few pantry staples. Whether you use canned beans or leftover cooked beans, these burritos are packed with flavor and make for a quick lunch or dinner. Step-by-step preparation. Prepare the beans. Heat the canned beans in a pot, seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. Mash them slightly with a fork, if you prefer a smoother texture. Warm the tortillas, heat the tortillas in a skillet, or microwave them for a few seconds until soft. Assemble the burritos, spoon the beans onto the center of the tortilla, and top with shredded cheese. Add salsa. Add some salsa or mix together tomatoes, onions, and cilantro for a fresh topping. Roll and serve. Fold the sides of the tortilla inward and roll it up into a burrito. Optionally serve with a dollop of sour cream or Greek yogurt. Modern twist, add vegetables or meat. If you have leftover meat, chicken, beef, or pork, you can add it to the burrito for added flavor and protein. You can also add avocado or guacamole for creaminess. Where to try it? Mexico City. Mexico burritos are a staple in Mexican cuisine, with different variations found in street food stalls. Mexican restaurants worldwide, this dish is a favorite for those who love hearty, satisfying meals. 3. India. Simple vegetable biryani ingredients. Rice, basmati, or any rice you have. Mixed vegetables, potatoes, carrots, peas, or any leftover vegetables. Onion, garlic, ginger, garam masala, cumin, turmeric, and coriander. Salt and pepper. Yogurt. Optional. Recipe, vegetable biryani. Biryani is a spiced rice dish that originated in the Indian subcontinent and is loved worldwide. It's a perfect way to use up leftover vegetables and transform them into a flavorful, satisfying meal. The beauty of biryani is in its spices, which are often pantry staples. Step-by-step preparation. Cook rice in a pot with a little salt until fluffy. You can use any rice you have, but basmati rice is ideal for biryani. The aromatics in a pan, heat some oil and onions, garlic and ginger until soft and fragrant. Add the spices. Stir in garam, masala, cumin, turmeric, and coriander. Let the spices cook for 1 to 2 minutes to release their flavors. Add the vegetables. Add diced vegetables, potatoes, carrots, peas, or any you have. Cook until softened about 5 to 7 minutes. Combine. Once the vegetables are cooked, gently fold in the cooked rice and mix everything together. If you have yogurt, you can add a spoonful to the mixture for creaminess. Serve. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve. Modern twist. Add protein. For extra protein, you can add chicken, tofu, or chickpeas to the biryani. You can also make a fried onion topping to add a crunchy texture. Where to try it? Delhi, India. Biryani is a famous dish in Delhi, often made with a blend of spices and served with raita, yogurt-based side dish. Indian restaurants worldwide. Biryani is a popular choice in Indian restaurants with different regional variations. For Japan, teriyaki, tofu stir-fry ingredients. Firm tofu or any protein you have. Soy sauce, honey, or sugar. Garlic, ginger, rice optional. Sesame seeds optional. Recipe: teriyaki tofu stir-fry. Teriyaki is a sweet and savory sauce that is often used to marinate chicken, beef, or tofu. By combining it with rice and vegetables, you can make a simple, satisfying meal in minutes. Step-by-step preparation. Prepare the tofu, press the tofu to remove excess moisture, then cut it into cubes or slices. Make the teriyaki sauce. In a small bowl, mix soy sauce, honey, minced garlic, and grated ginger to create the teriyaki sauce. Stir-fry the tofu, heat oil in a pan, and the tofu until it's crispy on the outside. Add the sauce. Pour the teriyaki sauce over the tofu and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken. Serve the teriyaki tofu with steamed rice and garnish with sesame seeds and green onions. Modern twist. Add vegetables. You can stir-fry some broccoli, carrots, or bell peppers to serve alongside the tofu, making it a more complete meal. Where to try it? Tokyo, Japan. A common dish found in many home kitchens and restaurants. Asian restaurants worldwide, teriyaki tofu is often featured on menus as a vegetarian or vegan option. 5. Greece. Greek salad with lemon dressing. Ingredients: tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, Kalamata olives, feta cheese, olive oil, lemon juice, oregano. Recipe: Greek salad. A Greek salad is a fresh and simple dish made from the most basic ingredients, yet it offers vibrant flavors that are perfect for any meal. It's a dish that celebrates the freshness of vegetables and the saltiness of feta cheese. Step-by-step preparation. Chop the vegetables, dice tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onion into bite-sized pieces. Add the olives and cheese. Add Kalamata olives and chunks of feta cheese to the bowl. Make the dressing in a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, and oregano. Drizzle the dressing over the salad. Serve. Toss everything together and serve immediately. Modern twist. Add protein. You can add grilled chicken, tofu, or lamb to make the salad more substantial. Where to try it? Athens, Greece. A refreshing, simple salad made with local, fresh ingredients. Greek restaurants worldwide, a popular and healthy choice on Mediterranean menus. Transforming basic ingredients into amazing meals. Who knew that basic pantry staples like rice, beans, pasta, and vegetables could be transformed into such amazing meals? As we've seen today, with a little creativity and the right combination of spices, you can turn simple ingredients into delicious, satisfying dishes. From pasta alla caprese to Greek salad. These recipes prove that you don't need to have fancy ingredients or complex techniques to create incredible food. Whether you're cooking for yourself or feeding your family, these meals are quick, easy, and packed with flavor. Which recipe are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary adventures with Global Eats Uncovered. We hope this episode has inspired you to create amazing meals using what you already have in your kitchen.